Good afternoon from Daniel's room. I sort of try to envision that I'm just kind of talking to a bunch of friends when I look in here. So you guys are in here. That is my reality. Hi everybody, we're getting bored in the house and we're in the house bored. What you watching? I've been cleaning this morning in Daniel's room. I put him in the recliner here. He seems very comfortable. He's watching TV, right? Hi. He has a scratch right here and right here because he was upset about something and one of his fingernails sort of had like a hangnail. So he scratched his, he was like rubbing his, anyway, not good. So I had to file his nails. I filed his nails down and got them smooth again. And the other thing I'm doing is I had to remove the padding. I have brand new padding for the entire bed. But this is what the side rail looks like without the padding. It's like little windows. But I have a box downstairs of all new padding and it has like very sticky stuff that like this stuff. Like this one's coming apart. So I have to replace all of it on the whole bed, piece by piece. I was just trying to figure out how it works. Like I just gotta get the rest of the glue off. The padding wasn't sticking well when I got the bed here. So the insurance company actually covered brand new padding for it. Anyway, we're gonna work on that. It's Friday. Hope you're doing good. I just had my service on my furnace too this morning. We had a hot water issue, so they fixed our hot water tank and also serviced our furnace, which is the original furnace for the house, so it's like old. I mean, our house is a 78, so eventually we have to replace that thing, but it's still working for now. So the guys were here at 8 o'clock this morning, so I'm kind of tired. I just jumped out of bed, right? So I'm gonna get Daniel back into his bed in a few minutes, finish cleaning, and I have to order some medicine and some feeding tube supplies. And then, I'm not sure. Call some doctors, do some things like that. Maybe take a shower and do my hair today. Maybe.
And then that got fixed. They also changed out the replace or the reset button?
That reset button box, they changed that out too.
Go potty, Holly.
You wanna go potties?
Go outside. Come.
The green is for the plants. To signify this is a vegan cake.
That's a big cake.
Did you try mine at all?
No, but I will.
Look.
Just keep going.
Cause it's something that I gotta do. I don't wanna look back in 30 years and wonder who you married to. Wanna say it now.
Well, happy Saturday. It's actually warm out even though I have my coat. I have shorts on. See? I have shorts on and a coat. Because the sun's warm, but there's a wind, so I'm like, I don't know if I'm going to be too cold. Just brought Daniel outside for a little while. Today is, what, May 2nd, so happy May. Things are starting to bloom. Trees have some leaves on them. A little bit. Spring's here, full blown. Life in our house. Really trying to make an effort to differentiate that it's actually Saturday and not just another day, because it's starting to feel like the days are just all the same. It's weird. Maybe in a month or so things will start to, you know, get better. There's some side lying going on. All right, just So we were outside. Whoa, blush, it's dark in here. And having a good time. It's beautiful, but he got fussy. So it's important to change his position every like so often throughout the day. Sitting, standing, laying on each side, etc. Because, you know, too long in one position isn't good. It's good for his, you know, biomechanics. But I got a lot of dirt in the wheelchair wheels, so I gotta sweep. Ah! It's a wonderful day in the neighborhood. Oh, rough.
Wow!
What's a man walking?
Pushing a baby stroller.
Hi. How are you? I see you over there. You took a nap for 1 hour. You want to get up and do some other things? It's going to be time to cook dinner pretty soon. Or we can play some games. Get you up. Good afternoon. From Daniel's room in our house. I have this white comforter. I put it over the chair because there's an old recliner in here. It's like that fake leather, and it's getting worn, so it's starting to feel crunchy in spots and like tear. I gotta get a new chair for in here eventually, but I had this cover. It's like a queen size, and I put it over it. So it's like sitting on a pillow. It's very nice. But yeah, I have my earphones in. I was working on some editing. April 15. So today is May 2nd, so I am 2 weeks behind. But there are days that I don't vlog, so I know coming up it'll maybe go a little faster, I don't know. But I just, sometimes, like when I talk a lot like this, I like to go back through it and make sure I wasn't just rambling. And I also don't like to have swears in my videos, so if somebody's cussing in the background, I try to edit it, so hopefully it doesn't slip in. Otherwise, life is pretty good today. John went to his dad's, and John and Thomas cut his dad's grass. Probably a nice outing. And they social distance from them, but it's kind of weird. But anyway, we have coffees because he went to Starbucks for us, which was also very lovely. Got an iced coffee. I'm going to try to get this one uploaded and then get Daniel up and active again. We'll be back later. Nice to see you. Nice to see you. I love your comments. I love to hear from you. And just remember that I sometimes also post on Instagram and on Facebook, and join me on Instagram if you want, and just connect in one way or the other. I don't like to add too many new friends on Facebook because I've already got too many and I can't keep up with what I have, but you can most effectively comment on my YouTube channels or send me messages, and I'll try to respond to them on Facebook. It's just I don't do it as much as I used to. I got a lot of things going on. So anyway, nice to see you. I said that already, but it is. I sort of try to envision that I'm just kind of talking to a bunch of friends when I look in here. So you guys are in here. That is my reality. So thanks. Thanks for all you do for me, because you're helping me stay sane through vlogging. Bye. Oops, where's the button? Someone's playing music over there. Daily walkies. Having fun, buddy? He's like, yup, nice. It's always worth the climb when you get to the view. It's pretty. Come on. I'm sorry, Henry. He's so nervous.
Barking boy.
Very nice. Thank you, Thomas. Okay, to explain all that noise, our town put out a notice earlier last week that said Horns for Hope or something in Newtown. So at 7 o'clock tonight, they sounded off all the church bells, which was like to initiate, I guess, like a moment of prayer. And then after the church bells all went, then they had all of the emergency vehicles do all their sirens. As loud as they can, I guess. And then after that, it was like 15 minutes of make noise and let everybody know you're okay or whatever. I don't know, just make noise. So we were walking and Henry, we didn't know. We just like forgot that this was the night. And then right at 7, somebody started lighting off like fireworks, firecrackers, and Henry's afraid of them. So we were all the way up on the hill and poor Henry was like, he just has incredible anxiety, so Sarah picked him up and ran all the way home. And Dale and I just took our time listening to the church bells and all the sounds. And Thomas just came out and he was playing his sax in the yard, and it was really beautiful. And I wish he would do it more because it's just very pretty. Anyway, that's what we did. And now I'm noticing bugs tonight, which is not very pleasant. So we're gonna go inside. But it was fun. It's a very strange, but yet in some ways special time, you know. We have a pretty amazing town. I don't talk about it too much, but, you know, for those of you who don't know, I live in the town where many years back in December we had a shooting in our elementary school, and I don't know, it just never the same since then. You know, the town has been through a lot, and people are pretty amazing. They're really good at showing solidarity and compassion and all that stuff. So I don't know, it was just really cool. Anyway, I gotta go inside now. Good night. I love you. Alright, we have a lot of activity going on, and he needs some physical work here. Let's go in here. Nope. Oh, ew. What's all this? What's all this? John, you need to watch Tiger King.
Wait.
Oh, that looks amazing.
Oh, that's great.
What are we?
Don't give Thomas a hard time.
Yes.
She had a glass, but she wanted
chicken something.
She has it. Oh, you're right.
What are we having? Chicken tacos? Whoa.
The plastic.
Easy does it there, Sparky. That was good food. Thank you for cooking.
Yeah,
You
Here I am.
Yummy.
Sitting by myself.
Well,
This time.
waggy, 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 waggy.
That's a good stretch.
Alrighty. It was a lovely and restful and quiet Sunday. Taking the dogs out after dinner. Then I'm going to give Dale a bath. Everything is getting so green, and it was 75 degrees today. Come on, guys. I started working just a little bit because I'm trying to get access to the brook back at my property. But it's a little tricky. It's a little tricky because it's so overgrown back there. And this morning I'm like, I'm going to go out there and cut some trees. But it was warmer than I thought it was, and it was kind of hard. I have to go around the tree because they decided to go in opposite directions here. Come on. But I'll show you. Well, I'm not going to show you because I don't want to fall over. But so down this way, I tried going that way first and over and found a tree that had fallen. I tried going straight, and just past where you can see it's really, really, really muddy and gross. That still might be an option. But then I looked over and I saw it looked like a clearer path was over here. So I laid down some boards and some old pieces of doors and got pretty far. I need some more. So what we're going to do is just take every piece of plank that we can find, plywood, wood, everything we're going to throw away, right? And make like a sort of an ad hoc thing to walk on for now until we can figure out the best path. We thought it would be up here. Because if you go this way and then you veer left, it's high ground here, but then there's all these little streamy things that kind of wind in and around because it all leads back to the brook. See how the skunk cabbage, you can tell it's very wet. I think I'm going to need the chainsaw no matter which way I go. Out that way, more trees are down. I'm going to get to it. Holly, really? What are you doing? Let's get out of here. I'm going to get a tick. Happy Monday. Enjoying your jazz music? Yeah. Very happy and content. Oh look, it matches. You match. You're all camoed out. Say hi, friends. I'm in a very good mood. I'm very mischievous and active and angsty and happy all at the same time. You're all worked up. Good morning. Happy Monday. We're doing all our things. We had breathing treatments. Dan's been really active this morning, like not in a bad way, just really like really full of himself. And yeah, we're both having a workout. So he's gonna have his vest treatment now. And yeah. Got you up in here for your rest, and I gotta go outside for a minute. Holly, you hungry?
Yes.
Why are you up on the table?
Because they're picking me up.
Are you nice?
Sometimes.
Henry wants to play.
No. Only gonna eat the treats.
You want your dinner? You have to eat all your dinner.
You can't tell me what to do.
Do you want treats?
Yeah.
You hungry?
Yes.
Want food? Want cheese?
Cheese.
Treats?
I like cheese.
Chicken?
Chicken. Hey, what's it for yummy or dinner?
Yeah.
You got any
That is about
pepperoni?
how wide that
You
is.
want pepperoni?
Covering all of
I
that.
love pepperoni. It's delicious.
Pepperoni.
Laying around
That's a good
Pepperoni.
pepperoni.
Oh, pepperoni. It's junk food. It's totally junk food.
old,
Junk food for you. It's not good for you.
It's not a big deal, right?
Once in a while.
If it doesn't work out, we just throw it out and fix it.
Hammy, you want pepperoni?
No.
Want
I
pepperoni?
think I still
Are you
want
hungry?
sound panel.
You want a treat?
Yeah, you
Want a
guys
snack?
said with the phone.
Want a cookie?
Oh, who's there, Molly?
Oh no! Oh no! Go!
What's it?
This is what we do. Get him!
Henry.
What are we watching for?
Henry, who is it? Is it a good person or a bad person? Speaking of a walkie. Did you get that reaction? Okay, let me take it. Speaking of a walkie, she loves walkies. Do you want to go for one?
What are you laughing at? Hello, everybody. We're having silly time. You watching CNN, Daniel? Are you watching Sanjay Gupta? Yeah. Yay! What are you laughing at? You're so silly. You're so silly. Ooh. He's leaning on me. Yes. Give me a hug. Give me this arm. Oh, you got me. You got me. Catch up. That's good balancing. You're gonna fall down. Kaboom. If I let go. You think I'm gonna let you go? Side to side, side to side, back and forth, side to side, side to side, and then you get a big hug. Hi everybody, we're getting bored in the house and we're in the house bored.